I'm going to determine some properties of a function f by just using the graph. The first question I want to answer is where are the x-intercepts of f of x? The word where means for which x value, so I'm going to answer with a list of x's. And an x-intercept is where we intercept the x-axis. It's the same as finding where the height of the graph is equal to 0. The height is the y value. So this is the same as solving the equation f of x equals 0, and we're going to solve that using the picture. Now, looking at this horizontal axis, you can see that the graph crosses it at 4 different places. And so I can tell that x will be -7, -1, 3, or 6, any one of these 4 numbers. If you want to, you can write ordered pairs, -7, 0, -1, 0, etc. Or you can just write those x values as your answer. Next, I'm going to find out where f of x is greater than 1. Again, I'm trying to find the x's. F of x being greater than 1 means the y values are greater than 1. It means the heights are greater than 1. And so I need to draw a horizontal line at height 1. I can tell that the graph is going to cross this horizontal line at 4 places. -7 point something something, and at 3 other x values. And I can tell that in these 3 sections, the graph will be above it. So I just need to answer with the intervals of x's where I'm in those 3 different sections. I do not want to include the red dot x coordinates because the height at those places is 1. I want greater than 1. And so my solution is going to be 3 different intervals connected with union symbols. And I'm connecting with the union symbol because I want to say this sentence. If x is here, or if x is here, or if x is here, then I know the height is going to be greater than 1. That's why I want to use that union symbol. The last job I want to do is find out where f of x is non-positive. Now, the word non-positive means not positive. And the opposite of positive is you're either negative or you're 0. Negative or 0. And so this question, if you're going to answer this question, is the same as solving the inequality f of x less than or equal to 0. That I know how to handle. So I'm going to draw that horizontal line at height 0 and find out where it crosses. This is really the same as the x-intercept question. And I need to know where it's below. I can see that there's 2 sections where it's below. And this time I do want to include the x-coordinates of those red dots. Because at those red dots, f of x is equal to 0. So they should count. So I need to find the intervals for those 2 sections and put square brackets around them, -7 to -1, 3 to 6. And I want to connect with the union symbol again. And the union symbol is there because in my mind, it matches up with this sentence. If x is between -7 and -1, or if x is over here between 3 and 6, then I'm guaranteed that f of x is less than or equal to 0.